What is going on, guys? You've likely heard news reporters say things like the Nasdaq is up 50 points or the S&P is down 10 points. Today, we're going to talk about first, what is the Dow? Second, what is the S&P 500? Third, what is the Nasdaq? Finally, I would like to explain about my investment ideas for index ETFs. The Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq are examples of stock market indexes. A stock market index measures the performance of a collection of stocks. Hence, indexes provide a wider view of the stock market as a whole. The Dow consists of 30 of the largest and most successful companies in the US. Interestingly, in the Dow, companies with higher prices are given more weight. United Health Group, the highest priced stock in the index, is made up of 7% of the index, whereas Walgreens, the least expensive stock, is only 1% of the index. So, a change in United Health Group's price would have a greater impact on the Dow than if Walgreens' price is changed. Hence, the Dow is less representative of the overall market than the S&P 500. The S&P 500 measures the performance of 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the US. Due to its broader exposure, the S&P 500 is the best measurement of the US stock market. The S&P 500 is weighted by the market cap. Market cap is the number of a company's outstanding shares multiplied by the price per share. So, the companies with the largest total market value have the greatest impact on the average of the S&P 500. For example, the market cap of Apple is $2,053 billion US dollars. That is 17.25 billion of outstanding shares multiply the price per share $119.02. Hence, Apple stock with the largest market cap is the index has the greatest impact on the average of the S&P 500. The Nasdaq includes 3,300 companies that are traded on the Nasdaq exchange. The Nasdaq includes more smaller companies than the other indexes, but includes many of the largest tech companies like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Facebook. Because nearly half of the companies are tech companies, the Nasdaq is widely considered a better gauge for the technology industry. Some of these companies may also be included in the Dow, the S&P 500, or both. Here we have the chart that shows the performance of each index. As you can see, Nasdaq index shows the best performance so far. Each index helps measure how the overall market is doing through the performance of the securities it tracks. Though the market may vary day to day or even year to year, the historical performances of indexes show that over time, the stock market trends to rise. The overall market is performing better than only looking at the performance of a single stock. If you focus too closely on just one thing, you might not have a good understanding of the larger picture. This is why an index performance provides more complete information than the performance of individual stocks. Therefore, 5 shares of QQQ ETF is included in my portfolio. Today, I've discussed about stock market index, which includes Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq. Next time, what I'm going to do is to discuss about FinTech and Industry 4.0 and investment ideas for PayPal stock. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please hit the subscribe and like button. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.